If your WordPress website is showing the wrong URL or slug, and you're seeing cryptic page IDs instead of friendly, readable addresses, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through proven steps to fix this issue. Restore clean permalinks. And make sure your site's pages are easy to find and even easier for search engines to love. By the end, your URLs should look sharp and make sense, whether for visitors or SEO. Let's dive right in. To begin, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You'll need administrator access, so make sure you've got your login details handy. Once inside, take a breath, you're not alone. This is a common hiccup that's usually fixable in minutes. Now head over to the Settings menu and select Permalinks. This is where WordPress manages how your URLs are put together. On this screen, you'll see some options under Common Settings. Before you change anything, take a moment to see what your current structure is. Is it set to post name, day and name, or something custom? If it's set to plain, that's likely the culprit, but if it's anything else, jot it down so you can return to your chosen style after our fixes. Here's a handy trick: switch your permalink structure to plain and click Save Changes. Don't worry, this is temporary. What this does is force WordPress to flush its old link settings, kind of like resetting a jammed lock. Next, immediately switch back to your preferred permalink structure. If you're not sure which to choose, postname is perfect for most sites. It's great for SEO and makes your URLs easy to read. Save changes again. Pausing here for a second, sometimes this step alone does the trick. And you'll find your URLs seem to instantly correct themselves. But if you recheck your site and the issue is still hanging around, let's try a little troubleshooting. First, think about caching. If you're using plugins like WP Rocket or have server-level caching, clear the cache now. Outdated cached pages can cling to old URL formats. This step might take a few moments, especially if you haven't cleared your cache before, but it often solves lingering display issues. Still not fixed, let's look at your individual page or post slugs. Sometimes the problem sits right there. Go to Pages or Posts in your dashboard and click on the title of the affected item. Or if you want to move quickly, use Quick Edit. Look for the permalink or slug field. Make sure it's nice and clean, descriptive, no odd characters or trailing dashes. If something looks off, simply edit it and hit Update. Tiny changes here can make a big difference in how your page shows up. If everything looks good and the trouble still persists, consider whether a plugin might be causing the conflict. Deactivate any recent additions or updates, one at a time, and watch whether your URLs snap back to normal. It can feel tedious, but plugin conflicts are more common than you'd think. Don't worry if you have to test a few. Before we wrap up, here's a key point. If you've changed the slug for an existing page, always set up a 301 redirect. This tells search engines and visitors that the page has permanently moved, so you won't lose traffic or get stuck with broken links. Plugins like redirection make this super simple, and it's best practice for maintaining your site's reputation. And that's it. If you follow these steps, your WordPress site's URLs should be back on track, neat and readable. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I always read them. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and happy site building.